They're on the video, my brother.
Let's go on my room.
Okay. Well, Sam. There's Cleo's. We're going upstairs.
Did they say the dogs aren't allowed out of this room?
Did they go out?
This one did.
Rufus.
Come here.
Rufus.
Come here, buddy. Go back in there, pup.
Run free. Be careful.
We took
Don't
up.
want to step on anything naily.
Okay.
There's nails on the rug.
You guys getting new carpet?
No, because we don't like carpet. It's kind of like
So you're gonna get hardwood?
The dog, yeah. Well,
Cool.
we're gonna like paint the wood, I think.
There's a light.
I'd rather get like.
It's dark in here.
wood.
Yeah.
Lucky, you can actually go in my closet now.
Cool. You got all that stuff taken out.
Ugh.
There's a bunch of
With
stuff
everything.
in
Her
there.
brother and babysitter.
Looks good in here.
Bed. That's light like air.
Oh, that's so cute.
36 your turn.
Smell,
Whee!
smell this bear.
Another one. Whee!
Oh, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate.